Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 26th, 2025, and we're diving into Lowe's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Lowe's performance, especially given the current dynamics in the home improvement sector.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Lowe's reported total sales of $18.6 billion for the quarter, with a comparable sales increase of 0.2%. John, what does this tell us about Lowe's market position?
These figures indicate that Lowe's is maintaining a stable market position despite challenges in the DIY segment. The slight increase in comparable sales is driven by strong performance in pro and online sales, as well as holiday sales and rebuilding efforts post-hurricanes.
And what about profitability? How did Lowe's perform in terms of net earnings and EPS?
Lowe's reported net earnings of $1.1 billion, with a diluted EPS of $1.99. This is a notable improvement from the previous year's $1.77, reflecting effective cost management and strategic initiatives that are beginning to pay off.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about earnings per share. The adjusted EPS came in at $1.93, beating the forecast of $1.83 from 14 analysts. John, what contributed to this outperformance?
The adjusted EPS beat is primarily due to a per 6 cents gain from the sale of the Canadian retail business. Excluding this, Lowe's still managed to exceed expectations by $1.10, showcasing their operational efficiency and strategic focus on high-margin segments.
How significant is this EPS beat for investors?
It's quite significant. Beating EPS forecast by such a margin can boost investor confidence, indicating that Lowe's is on a solid path to achieving its financial goals despite market uncertainties.
Strategic initiatives and capital allocation. John, let's discuss Lowe's strategic initiatives and capital allocation. How is the company positioning itself for future growth?
Lowe's is focusing on its total home strategy, which aims to capture a larger share of the home improvement market. They repurchased 5.5 million shares and paid $650 million in dividends this quarter, returning a total of $6.5 billion to shareholders in FY2024. This demonstrates a strong commitment to shareholder value.
And what about their capital expenditures for the upcoming year?
For fiscal 2025, Lowe's plans to invest approximately $2.5 billion in capital expenditures, which will likely support store enhancements, technology upgrades, and supply chain improvements, all crucial for sustaining long-term growth.
Future outlook and CEO statements. Looking ahead, what is Lowe's outlook for fiscal 2025?
Lowe's projects total sales between $83.5 and $84.5 billion, with an operating margin of 12.3% to 12.4%. They expect diluted EPS to range from $12.15 to $12.40, reflecting cautious optimism amid market uncertainties.
What did CEO Marvin Ellison have to say about these results in the future?
CEO Marvin Ellison expressed confidence in the long-term strength of the home improvement industry and Lowe's strategic initiatives. He highlighted the company's ability to capitalize on the expected market recovery and their commitment to rewarding frontline associates with bonuses for their dedication.
Key takeaways. In summary, Lowe's has delivered a strong performance in Q4 2024, with impressive EPS results and strategic initiatives that position it well for future growth. John, any final thoughts on Lowe's investment prospects?
Lowe's is demonstrating resilience and strategic foresight, making it an attractive option for investors looking for stability and growth in the home improvement sector. Their focus on shareholder returns and operational efficiency is commendable.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Lowe's performance in the comments below.